Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to see how we can change our passwords on our Airtel 4G MiFi. So to do this, you have to access, you can see the 4G MiFi, it is on here. You can see it is on here. This is the indication of 4G, Airtel 4G MiFi. You can see it is on, connected. On the left hand side here, you can see it is connected. So we're going to change the password. To change the password, you have to access the dashboard of the Airtel MiFi. You have to access the dashboard. So to do this, you come here, type in 192.168.0.1. When you've done that, you press enter on your keyboard. There are times when so many people have access to your Airtel password. This is a good way to change it so that you can restrict usage and preserve your data. So we're going to see, using this method, we're going to see how you can change your password so that your data can last longer and you will know those that are using it. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of the Airtel MiFi. You can see it has just one connection. This is the battery indicator, and this is the indication of that is we are using a 4G. So when you click home here, you can see home. So to proceed, just click settings. You have to enter your username and password here for the dashboard, not the MiFi now. So you come here, click wireless settings. So as you can see, this is the default password. This is the default password of the MiFi. This is the default password of the MiFi. You can copy it. You can copy it and paste it. Paste it there. Then you proceed. So we now have to come here. You can change the password. So you just have to take the password, copy it, and paste it. When you have done that, you proceed and click save. So it has been disconnected. It has disconnected. Okay, it's no longer connected. It has disconnected on its own as a result of the change in password. So we now have to reconnect it back. So as you can see, it says some information changed since the last time you connected. So we need additional information to complete the connection. So you have to now go back to our passwords. Putting up, I'll just put up the MiFi. I'll put it on now so that we can. So as you can see, it's not connected here. It's not connected. So I'm going to put it on now. Put it back on. It's now back on, so we're going to attempt to connect it now. So enter the password, click next. As you can see, it's not connected back. So you can see it's not connected with the new password. So this is the new password here. So that's how you can change your password on your Airtel 4G MiFi. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, you can drop it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. To the next video.